In this video, we are going to take a look at how to select the new simulation kernel, fast version, to use within either backplot or machine simulation in CIMCO Edit 2022. Firstly, we want to select the configuration we wish to enable fast version for. We then want to open our settings within Setup, locate Backplot, and then use the drop-down option to toggle between standard version and fast version. Once fast version has been chosen, simply select OK. Now you can proceed by opening your NC file and selecting Backplot. Now go ahead, run the simulation, and watch how the new GPU accelerated simulation kernel, fast version, has drastically improved the material removal simulation, offering performance improvements of speeds of up to 300 times faster when calculating the resulting stock to collision and out-of-limit move detections using cutting-edge techniques in geometry processing. Fast version is the new simulation kernel developed by CIMCO and is available now in CIMCO Edit 2022. For further information, please contact CIMCO or your local reseller today, or visit our website cimco.com.